Hi, my name is Ananya. I'm the founder of Decibel. As an instrumentation control engineering student, right from the starting, I had a very huge interest in learning new hardwares and learning new hardware technologies. After BTech, I got an admission in IIT Madras in MTech. Then after that I dropped out of MTech and then I started working on uh, on trying something new in the field of consumer electronics as I had a very good knowledge regarding the consumer electronics, and then I started working on developing my own technology, our own technology that is also patentable, and we have found a new term for that, that is energy tube. And then after that I established my own brand, that is Deciwood. And then I started working on developing more acoustically wooden speaker bodies. Then after that I met Karan Shukla, my co-founder, and we had a immediate click as we both had a vision to develop something new, uh, something tremendous, which we can serve which we can serve globally. As we decided to establish an OEM for audio equipments, as we saw a very huge gap in Indian market, as every other audio brand from India is going to China for the OEMs, as every other brand has their OEM in China only, and there is no OEMs in India which they have in India. So we saw that gap, and we decided to establish an ecosystem just like Airbnbs and TripAdvisors, which we can serve uh, to other audio brands in India. And we are focusing on B2B and B2C. As B2B, we will be serving to other audio brands with our patentable technology, and B2C, we are working with our own brand, that is Deciwood. And for the last question which you guys asked, that is uh, who's your favorite entrepreneur from India and why? And for that I admire Anand Mahindra, the chairman of Mahindra and Mahindra Group, as I admire his vision and the perseverance, as Mahindra was the first automobile manufacturer from India who were focusing on developing a new technology, and they successfully launched e-vehicle uh, successfully in India. And thank you for giving us this platform to tell our story to the world. Thank you so much, Waterbridge.